In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Quicken Premier, a personal finance software that helps you manage everything from budgeting to investments in one place. If you're looking for something more powerful than a basic money tracking app, this might be what you're after. Let's take a closer look at what it offers, what it gets right, and where it falls short. Quicken Premier is designed to give you a complete picture of your finances. Once you connect your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts, the software brings everything together in one dashboard. One of its strongest features is its investment tracking. It allows you to monitor your portfolio performance, track gains and losses, and even compare your returns to major market indexes, all with minimal setup. It's a great tool if you actively invest and want to stay on top of things without manually updating spreadsheets. Another area where Quicken Premier shines is its reporting. It offers detailed reports on income, expenses, net worth, and tax categories. You can generate custom reports to better understand your financial habits or plan ahead. The built-in tax planner is also a standout feature. It estimates your potential tax liabilities based on your data, which can be really useful for staying ahead of tax deadlines and avoiding surprises. The budgeting tools are solid as well. You can create monthly budgets, categorize your expenses, and set financial goals. It helps you stay on track by showing you how much you've spent versus how much you planned. You also get alerts and reminders for bills, which adds an extra layer of organization. Now let's talk about a few downsides. The user interface, while functional, feels a bit outdated. It's not the most visually appealing software out there, especially if you're used to clean, modern mobile apps. Quicken is also mainly a desktop program. There is a mobile companion app, but it's not fully featured. It's more for viewing your data on the go than managing everything from your phone. And finally, there's the cost. Quicken Premier runs on a yearly subscription. It's not super expensive, but if you're only using a few of its features, it might not feel like the best value. So, who should use Quicken Premier? It's best for users with more complex financial needs, people who invest, own property, or want deep insight into their finances. If you just want a simple way to track spending, there are easier and cheaper apps to use. But if you want real control over your money with detailed tools, Quicken Premier can be a solid choice. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Quicken or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.